Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hub. Today's topic is typographical logo design. So let's start and make a typographical logo. First of all, I will change some color of my thumbnail. Then I will go for the main design, which is typographical logo design. So let's start. First of all, I will select those and also this, and I will choose some color. If I take this color, how it look like? It's look pretty good, but I won't take this color. I will choose this color something. Oh, this is too good, but I want some changing and how it which color should be the better. I want the base color. We want the base color. That's why I choose some. No, this color won't be the perfect. So yeah, here this is the brown color, and now see the let's see the yeah, this is the golden color. How it look like? I think it's not look pretty cool or something, but I will go for the red. I will i will take orange color, and it should be sorry, it should be the orange today. Okay, it is nice, it's nice, and now I will save it and export it as sorry, png, and okay, it is saved. Now I will go for the main design. So click here new, click here new, and I will always take the 10 into 10 inch template. So 10 into 10 inch template is here. Now I will go for the typographical logo. So let's make my name Sopan, Sopan, and now I will go with this, and now select a nice thumbnail, select a nice font, then I will edit there. A unique font I want. No, I want a unique font, very unique font. So how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. So I will select this if the other font won't be chosen. Yes, I take this font. This is a marvelous font, and I will go for the weight outline and ungroup this. So that's why I can change. Sorry, I can change here some color. So make it here. So I will change its color, but I will show you the another thing that um, sorry. I okay. I want to make it big. Here you can see. I will change this color to make it green. This is a unique design. If I make, then I will go for the shape builder tool and something what I what I don't want. I will cut this portion and this portion, and now I will I will go for it and now it is very nice. It will be very nice to see a design, the unique design here. You won't see this design before because this is very unique design. You can't do it. You can't do it perfectly. You can't do it perfectly here. Here you can see how it look like. This is very unique because I will show you this color. This color is black and this color is green, but here is a portion you can see this is also the black, and this hair on this hair, this portion is the little portion is the different color. You can see here the different color. This is the unique design. This is the unique color of change, unique color changing, and how it look like if if I zoom out this, how it look like, you can see it's look pretty, very pretty. And this is also a design of logo. This is a typographical logo design, and it's the one of the best design I ever had. So, and this is today's class, and I will show you the more things on the next class and more interesting thing on the next class. Please be with us and just subscribe our channel. Thank you all. Assalamu alaikum.